everyone. So finally I have reached Mussoorie, Pahadon ki Rani Mussoorie. So yesterday night I have reached here, and now we have 2 days left. So we'll just relax here. You can see behind me it's Mall Road. It's all closed because it's early morning. I'm just going for my morning walk. Probably we'll explore a couple of cafes here, and also we'll show you a glimpse of some of the places which most probably I'll be visiting. So stay tuned and good morning. Alright, good morning people. So as you can see, I'm in my room right now, Mussoorie, and I am all set to go out. Now I will be heading towards maybe Mall Road, and then we'll explore a couple of places. So as you can see here, here is my day pack ready. I have carried a water bottle, tripod, sunglasses, comb, a chocolate, charger, and sun cap. It's all in my day pack, and we'll be heading towards first. So right now I'm at Picture Palace. Like my stay is near Picture Palace, so that is, I mean, I have already explored earlier, so I'm not willing to go there again right now. We'll be going to towards Library Chalk, and on the way I will be exploring some of maybe 1 or 2 cafes, maybe for a coffee. And then after we'll go towards maybe Gun Hill. I will be going. So Uber, actually it's just a viewpoint. It's not so happening, it's okay types, but yes, I like that ropeway. So we'll be going there, and after that also I'm planning to go maybe Lal Tibba or Dhanolti. So let's see, it's if weather favors, because ये पूरी trip में weather ने पूरा scene खराब किया है. So if weather favors here, then definitely we'll try and go Dhanolti. Otherwise we'll roam nearby, and it is basically the last day of the trip, you can say, because by tomorrow I have flight back to Ahmedabad. So from Mussoorie I'll start in afternoon, and we'll be reaching Dehradun somewhere around maybe 2 or 3, and then we'll go to airport straight away. So yes, for now I'm just going outside. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you. So I have now reached at this Gun Hill viewpoint, and just came here for a coffee. Maybe I'll just catch a quick coffee, and then we'll move around. So here I will spend maybe 2 to 3 hours, and then again we'll go down through ropeway. So I came through a ropeway. It is 125 per person from Jhulagarh, and from here I will be, as I said in the morning, I may travel to Dhanolti, or maybe there's one temple, Sakra Devi temple, so I might be visiting any of these places. So stay tuned, we'll show you the glimpse in between. Thank you. reached these Dalai Hills, which is actually a Buddha temple, and you can see 500 meters. As I said, I need to come downwards, so I'm walking. And as I said, it is not kind of a tourist attraction place. So you can see there are no one, na aage koi na piche koi. So I'm just walking. Let's see, how the place will be. I'm sure it will be beautiful because, anyways, it's a monastery and it's kind of between the hills, so it will be definitely beautiful. Let's see how much time I can spend here. And as you can see here, it's academy also here. I mean, it's a kind of a school also here. This is the campus, and beside that, this place is, this monastery is the Buddha temple. So it is. I have already seen the pictures. I have, heard the stories from locals. So finally I have reached here. You can see the monastery is actually closed. The Buddha idol you can see behind me. It's a very hilly area. You can see that's a school, the Kendriya Vidyalaya Mussoorie, and to be specified, it is Kendriya Tibbeti Vidyalaya. And this way, it's all in between the hills. You can see that there it's a temple. Not exactly temple. Temple is actually closed since the COVID time. The temple is closed, so still they have not opened, and also there is some construction work is also going on. So just the idol you can see behind me. But yes, the view is really amazing. I'm sure I will spend a good long 2-3 hours here, and then we'll maybe move ahead to downwards, or maybe take a halt at a cafe. They have good cafes also on the way. I have already saw that. So let's see what time I can spend here, and accordingly we'll choose. So as you have already seen the glimpse of this Dalai Hills, I have almost covered the entire place. I spent good long 3 hours also here in between. I had light snacks, and I'm heading towards the main road. Again I have to walk for maybe 500 to 600 meters, and then after we'll be reaching to the main road, and then from there I'll find out some maybe auto or something, and then we'll go to Mall Road. is about to end. It's midnight already, and I was just doing my packing. It is very very difficult. जब ट्रिप पे जाने का होता है तो ट्रिप का excitement and happiness and plannings and all these things make our packing so easy. But at the same time, when we are going back to home with lots of memories, trip, and also tiredness, so at that time, पूरा पैकिंग वापस करना, जो पूरा रूम हमने फैला रखा होता है, so that is so hectic, so difficult, and at the same time it is time consuming as well. So finally I'm done with that. Okay, so I'll show you my bags. So you can see both the bags with tent, with mask, water bottle, wristband, glasses, everything is done so far. That's my bag cover which I have kept it because my tent is outside. I was trying to put it into the bag, but unfortunately this bag is smaller, so that is the reason you can see here the bag is loose packing. It is because मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा खाली रखा है so that वो flight में weight का पंगा ना हो, because the tent is 3.5 kg, so accordingly I have managed. Some of the clothes or something I have shifted to this bag. Earlier this bag was actually मेरे खाने पीने का सामान वाला bag, so all the food items and everything I have kept it in this bag, but now since no food items are left, so I have shifted some of the clothes and sweater and all these things in this bag so that ये थोड़ा वजन में हल्का रहेगा. That's my waistband which carries the sanitizer, mask, and some of the toffees, and also my ID proof and some cash. That's glasses. This is my tripod, my watch, and some of the things that is little bit mess. वहाँ पे मैंने अपने कपड़े कल सुबह के लिए निकाल के रखे हैं. So now I am all done, and finally it is 12:30, and now I will be sleeping peacefully. Tomorrow flight we'll check out by maybe around 12 or so.